Now let us see exercise 7.3, third question. Now see the question. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter and the diameter is 1.4 centimeter, a cone of the same height and the same diameter is carved out. Find the volume of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter cube. So here volume of the remaining solid they have asked to find out. Okay. So here one cylinder shape you have. So the height of the cylinder they have given, that is 2.4 centimeter and the diameter is 1.4 centimeter. For example, here one cylinder shape. Okay. So the height of the cylinder they have given. The height of the cylinder they have given, that is 2.4 centimeter they have given, and the diameter is 1.4 centimeter. So I know that the diameter means full, the circle part here or here. Okay, so the circle part, full part, that is 1.4 centimeter. Then the radius what it will come, so the radius means this part. Okay, so then the radius what it will come, half of the diameter. So r is equal to d by 2. So here the diameter is 1.4. So 1.4 divided by 2 means 0.7 only. Okay, so now the radius is 0.7. So next, a cone of the same height and the same diameter is carved out, nothing but from the cylinder shape. So here we have cut it from the cylinder, one cone shape with the same height and the same diameter. Okay, so here we have cut it one cone shape with the same height and the same diameter. Same height means you know that this is the height of the cylinder. Here when you cut the cone shape also the same height only. So with the same height and the same diameter. So after here in our question they have asked, after carved out means after cutting this cone shape, so we have to find out the volume of the remaining solid. Volume of the remaining solid means which are the parts, we know that this is the cylinder parts. So from the cylinder we have cut it one cone shape with the same height and the same diameter. Then we have to find out the volume of the remaining solid. Remaining solid means which are the parts, this part only we have to find out. Okay, so this part, after cutting this cone shape, this is the remaining part. So how we can find out the remaining part? So total volume, if they volume of this solid, if they ask me separately, we have to find out and we have to add it. But here they have asked the remaining solid. So that means I have shaded on this part only we need to find out. Then how we can find out? So the total. So volume of the cylinder subtracted with the volume of the cone. So both one if you subtract means you can get it the remaining solid. Can you understand? So here they have asked the volume of the remaining solid. Remaining solid mean I have shaded this part, that part only we need to find out. So that part how we can find out? Volume of the cylinder subtracted with the volume of the cone. So if you subtract means you can get it the remaining solid. So now see the solution. First you have to write in a solid cylinder, radius you know that. So radius means this one. Okay. So the diameter they have given, radius 0.7, diameter they have given 1.4. So radius means half of the diameter only, that is radius. So 1.4 divided by 2, that is 0.7. And the height they have given, that is height they have given, that is 2.4 centimeter they have given. So height of the cylinder. The next one, and the cone carved out its radius, that radius also same only. Okay, so the radius is 0.7 and that height also same only. So the height is 2.4 centimeter. Height means this one. Okay, so that height also same only. So now they have to write the required volume. So volume of the remaining solid we need to find out. Already I said the shaded part only we need to find out. So how we can find out? Volume of the cylinder subtracted with the volume of the cone. So then we will get the shaded part, the remaining solid we can get it. So volume of the cylinder minus volume of the cone. So volume of the cylinder, what is the formula? Pi r square h minus volume of the cone, what is the formula? 1 by 3 pi r square h. So already I said the common part we have to take outside. So pi r square h here also you have, here also you have pi r square h. Commonly can you take outside? Then inside what it will come? 1. So already 1 pi r square h we have taken outside. So 1 minus 1 by 3. So now subtract substitute the value. So pi value, that is 22 by 7 into r square. R square means r 2 times you have to multiply. R value, that is 0.7, 2 times you have to write, into height, you know that is 2.4, into 1 minus 1 by 3 means that is 1 by 1 only. So we have to find the LCM because in between subtraction. So LCM, if you find out what it will come, the LCM is 3 after cross multiply. 3 minus 1, so that is 2 by 3 it will come. So now 7 and the 0.7 you can cancel. So 7 1 is 7, here 0.1 it will come. So the next one, here 3 table, here 24, but you have the point 2.4. So 3 table you can give. So 3 1 is 3, 0.83 are 8 3s are 24, so 0.8 it will come. Okay, so now remaining you have to multiply 22 into 0.1 into 0.7 into 0.8 into 2. So now you have to remove the point and multiply. 22 multiply with 1 means same only it will come. So 22 into 7 into 8 into 2 you have to multiply. After put the point. Here after the point 1 digit, here after the point 1 digit, here after the point 1 digit. Totally 3 digit before you can put the point. Then the answer is 2.464 centimeter cube because the volume. Okay, so therefore the volume of the remaining solid is 2.46. So round off this number. So more than 5 if you have means you can add it one number, but here more than 5 we don't have. So 4 only, below 5 only. So then you have to write 2.46 centimeter cube. So that is the answer.